Well, good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, August 9th. August 9th. Don't know where the summer went. Anyway, I'm just going to do a voiceover and use these videos that I've been doing clips on. This is all my coffee tea diet I did yesterday, actually on Friday. This is the time of year that I catch up on everything because I like to have everything done prior to doing my journals, so I could just go in and grab what I want instead of looking after the fact. So I'm also going to have an artful weekend. The Tombos, I'm trying to put everything inside of this nice little white thing that I purchased from Amazon years ago. And I have a couple of these master carriers with markers. My brushes came in and I'm ready. Just want to have a peaceful weekend. I've been busy, as you can see. So I've done my tags and bags and doilies, signatures, and rags. All of lovelies to get them ready for all the journals so I could begin the tutorials. Now I'm just going to show you the 3-step here. This is just cut out the printable, cut out whatever you're going to use, chipboard or what have you, and then glue your paper to it. There's not sizes on here today. This is not a tutorial. This is just a preview. So this is the printable that I chose. I think there's 4 or 5 in there now. They'll add up. They are of design. So you're purchasing the design, but you can cover it if you want to. And I use the PAV glue because I ran out of the good stuff and I have a whole gallon and it works. But listen to me. Here is the secret with the PAV. It will buckle if you use too much. So I started the invisible spine and used the Velcro dots. I will demonstrate all of this. I don't cut out the invisible spine to match the size of the journal, as you can see. And then I did the Velcro. I punched the holes for where I wanted the signatures to go. And then I added the Velcro on, sewed the signatures to it, and then you just attach the Velcro to each other, and voila, it's removable. Be careful with those Velcro dots. One thing about them, I can tell you I've been using them for 9 years. They are very strong, adhese together. You don't want to rip them off. That's how strong they are. And so there you go. There's your signature. So you can, remove it when it's full and you want to refill it so you don't have to continue to keep doing signature or covers. Up to you. I will be doing full tutorials. I'll tell you about that. I love the black and cream. This is a Flora. I think I have 2 or 3 packages of this and then it's gone. So I'm keeping it for myself, but I'm going to demonstrate what I've done with this. This is it before I've even started. Yes, I put it together with packing tape and I'm going to show you why. Mine are soft cover and I'm going to show you that too. I've always designed my journals in my own way and obviously sold thousands globally. And that's another thing. We'll see what happens down the road here, but I may go back to global. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to put this all together. And when she's done, I'm going to do a flip through on my shorts. Now, most of my channel is my shorts. But once or twice a month, I will come out with a, 15-minute long tutorial on my printable journals or journals I've designed, step-by-steps. Let me tell you about her quick here, because I can jump back into that. I'm sorry, ladies. There's only 2, and I'm keeping 1. The authentic vintage paper, you can purchase it all over Etsy. I have 2 nice packages, one for the top of mine and one for the top of the second one. Now I'm going to do the second one on video of her, how I did her step by step, and then the second one will be available. First one again is mine. Same with all my printables in the shop. I'm going to design them, keep the first ones, and then sell the second. I am going to be making covers, embossing them, and sewing them around the edges. They will be soft covers, and they will be up for sale in the shop. I have many people who do not do printables. They're not into it. They just want it designed and ready so they can play with it. So here's me embossing it after I put it together, which I should have done it the other way around, but I changed my mind at the last minute. And these are all available in my shop. They will be in packages. Same with what you saw on my desk. There'll be very few packages. I only put so many out a year in August and September, and then I'm done until the middle of next year because of the holidays. And I've also sewn many, many pieces for all the journals that I'm bringing out. I like to have nice piles of everything. My tags, my doilies, my rags, materials, bags, signatures, my essentials, my ephemera. I have nice piles of each, so when I'm doing journals, I'm doing the cover and then I'm just filling them. Playing, decorating is my favorite part, but I don't like digging, and that's just who I am. And that is how I do it. So I spend the whole month of August doing this, stamping, painting, doing my art, getting everything ready. As you can see, my bags for my gift bags. Ladies, what's in the shop is all I have left. I've sold dozens of them since July, and at the end of August, they're done because September, October, November is for the holiday season. I generally don't do anything in November, just any last-minute orders. November and December, I don't generally do anything, just so you are aware. That is my revamp to get ready for January, February, March. I work 2 to 3 months ahead of time. So these will be available just as you see them, embossed and sewn around the edges, and that's it. There'll be single packages, and they'll be available. And I will also have the covers ready for the shop. So that's about where I am. These are the lovely gift bags. My VIPs and regulars know I only do so many during the next couple of weeks here. So ladies, what's in the shop, again, is all that's going to be left by the end of August. They'll never last. What's in there, they're gone until next year. Look at how beautiful the printable came out. So I have lots of packages. I just uploaded them. She sold 2 times. I have one more of her. And this beautiful bag with the envelope frame. I have 2 more, I think 3. I'm not positive. I'll put them back in the shop, and that will be that on them. These lovely pockets with the tags. There's only a few more, and these will be gone. So get your packages, ladies. They're on their way out. I'm going to do a destash on some of these magazines. I have dozens of them, and I now need room. So if you're interested in any of these, just contact me by email. Suggestion to only purchase 3, maybe 4 the most, because the weight is going to cost in shipping. And I will tell you which ones I am willing to give up, and then that will come from to a stop, because I just love these magazines, especially through the winter, when you just feel like you just need chill out time and a hot chocolate. Yeah, they're lovely. Not to mention great ideas in them. So this is my busy season again for catching up with everything I'm going to be using throughout my journals. As you can see, all my materials, everything is ready, and I'm excited to start and finish off the summer, because I've had a nice summer with some art, and move into the fall and winter. I learned a lot on the Tombow magazines, markers, and I have lots of ideas that I'm going to be bringing out. So watch my clips on YouTube, TikTok, I don't know how long that's going to be there, and Pinterest. They're the only 3 I'm actually working on. Instagram is back in private. I just don't want to deal with the algorithm. I'm excited to start the tutorials. The printables are available. They are going to grow, and I am going to put other artists out. Bye now. See you soon.